Hi. In this video, we will learn how to install, configure, and use TestCollab's bidirectional integration app for Jira. The app helps in linking test cases with issues in Jira and managing them in Jira without any need to open the TestCollab web app separately. The users who want to use the bidirectional integration app on Jira should have their account on TestCollab and have their API token generated. Let us start by seeing how API token can be generated in TestCollab. For this, a user has to access his profile and switch to API token section. Clicking on Generate New API Token will bring up a box to enter a label for the new token. Use the button to create. Generated token will be shown once. You can copy the token to save it for future use. Now in Jira, a user who has rights to manage apps can install the TestCollab app. For this, you can search for our app on the Atlassian Marketplace and use Get Now to install on your Jira account. Once installed, the app needs to be configured. In the first step, the API key of the user who is having administrator's rank in TestCollab needs to be provided. The TestCollab account will then be selected from the dropdown. In the next step, we can switch to a project. We can see a new link for TestCollab in the project menu. We will come to this later. Let us navigate to the project settings page. Here we have to select the TestCollab project that will be used to link test cases from, and also the type of issues that will be used in Jira for the purpose. Now the TestCollab link can be clicked, as this will give us access to the project we just linked. Let us now open an issue. On the issue page, a new test cases section will appear. This will have options to link existing test cases, or add new test cases. Clicking on the link button will show the test cases list, and we can select one or more test cases that need to be linked with the Jira issue. If needed, we can also add new test cases. We can view test case details by clicking on its title. All test cases linked to the current issue can be edited, unlinked, or deleted. We can also create a test plan from this section itself. If the same Jira project is also used to configure defects management settings in TestCollab, then reporting a new defect from TestCollab will automatically link the test case in Jira. Same is true for requirements management. That means any requirements linked in TestCollab will show a list of linked test cases in Jira also. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions regarding the bidirectional app for Jira, then please send them to support@testcollab.com.